I legit look like a piece of licorice. Whoa, what the heck? Hey guys, it's Ryleigh, and the reason I look really crusty right now is because I'm about to film a get ready with me video for you guys. I'm getting ready to go do a photo shoot, so I thought why not show you guys what I do when I get ready to go take pictures. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so the first thing I do to get ready for a photo shoot is whiten my teeth. I don't know about you guys, but I do not want some yellow crusty teeth. I want pearly whites. So I just go ahead and put on my Crest 3D whitening strips. Now moving on to actually getting ready, so I go ahead and put my hair back in a ponytail just so I don't get any makeup in my hair. And then to prep my face for makeup, I'm going to use my Mario Badescu facial spray. Now onto foundation, I'm using my L'Oreal True Match Lumi foundation. This foundation has a dewy finish and it is also super light, so it looks so pretty and natural in pictures. Now moving on to concealer, I'm using the one and only Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. And yes, I know my backpack fell down, but don't worry y'all, I fixed it. I had to go get a big hook. Hopefully this works. Sorry if it looks different, but now we can go back to getting ready. To set my foundation and concealer, I'm going to be using my Maybelline Better Skin Pressed Powder. I also put a little bit of powder on my eyelids just so nothing creases. Now onto eyeshadow. I do not like to wear very much eyeshadow, but I do like to have some definition to my eyes. So I'm just going to take this Lorac palette that I broke just then, y'all saw it. I'm going to take the bronzy shade and just put it in my crease. That's it. I just wanted to add some definition to my eyes. I hardly ever fill in my eyebrows, but lately I have been loving to fill them in for photo shoots just because they make them look a lot more full and it gives you that Instagram model type of look, if y'all know what I'm talking about. I am pasty as heck, so I love to bronze my face up when I'm going to take pictures because it makes me look a lot more tan than I am. Now onto blush. I'm going back in with that palette I broke and I'm taking the blush color and putting that onto my cheeks. For highlighter, I'm going in with my Anastasia Glow Kit, which is gorgeous, and I'm taking the color Gumdrop and I'm putting that onto my cheekbones, my forehead, my nose, my chin, and my Cupid's bow. And now I'm going to go take off my whitening strips so we can put on lipstick. For lips, I'm taking one of my favorite lipsticks of all time. This is a matte liquid lipstick by Bare Minerals in the color Swag. And to set everything in place, I'm going back in with my Mario Badescu spray, and that is it for my makeup. It's just very light and pretty for a photo shoot. Now moving on to hair, I almost always curl my hair just because I like the way it looks when it's curled. So I'm just going to go ahead and plug in my curling irons. As you guys can probably already tell, my hair is already curled. So I just went ahead and recurled a few pieces here and there just so my curls looked a little bit more fresh. I like to curl my hair a little bit tighter when I'm going to take pictures because by the time I go to take them, the curls will have fallen out a little bit and they will look really pretty. Now that I am done curling my hair, I'm going to go ahead and take some hairspray and spray all of those curls. I like to flip my head over and spray some hairspray just so it adds some volume. And that is what I did for my hair for this photo shoot. Alright guys, that is it for this Get Ready With Me video. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, make sure to give this video a big, fat, huge, amazing, fabulous thumbs up. Y'all know the drill. If you are not already subscribed, you totally should hit that subscribe button down below because you will become a part of the lovely fam, which is the best fam. Oh, and I totally forgot to mention this at the beginning of my video, but on January 12th, that was my 5-year YouTube anniversary, which is insane. You all are so amazing. Thank you for getting me here where I am today. I can't even believe it's been 5 years. Like, that is insane. 5 years of my life I've been doing this and I could not be happier. And I really want to do a giveaway for my 5-year anniversary for you guys, so if that is something you guys would like, make sure to comment down below and let me know. Alright guys, I love you all so very much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Mwah.